What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has hit a red candle in the last 24 hours. It is down over 6%. Again, it's not just AMP guys, the majority of the crypto market is on the red side, including Bitcoin. It has taken a dip down to $104,000. So we'll be going through what is next for AMP and the crypto market for the rest of the year, and also going into 2025. How high is AMP likely to go? Is it a crypto that you must have in your wallet? And also looking at its long-term and short-term prediction. But before I do that guys, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway that I'll be doing very soon. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom we have the RSI giving us where AMP really stands in the RSI indicator. It is currently at 67.11, which is quite high personally because of the amount of value it has dropped over the last week. 10%, majority of it coming from the last few days here. And even though over the month it is still up 90%, since about early December it has dropped in value quite a bit over the last 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm expecting it to be at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, as I'm not expecting any major price corrections at the moment. Yes, I'm expecting red candles, but it's not going to be a major drop or a crash, anything like that. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down to 0.08 cents over the next couple of hours, and potentially lower than that over the next few days before it slowly starts to recover. Because if we look at the whole month from 18th of November until 18th of December, it has clearly been an overall increase in value. Yes, we have seen dips in between, but the overall outcome has been more on the positive side. That is why we are seeing dips in between, because that's what makes the cryptocurrency sustainable. And yes, we complain about red candles, but they are pretty much needed, guys. So if we zoom in into the 4-hour chart, we can see here that the resistance has been above where it is at the moment. So over the last couple of weeks, this has been the resistance. As you guys can see here, the support level, yes, it's been up and down from it, but this has been the support, and right now it has broken from the support and is a bearish trend at the moment. That's why I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down before it slowly starts to increase, potentially by next week, so towards the end of this year and early next year, heading up in value. And if we bring out the MACD indicator here, we can see that the MACD line, which is here at the bottom, is looking quite bearish, and it is in fact trading below the signal line, meaning more drops in value are expected, as I mentioned previously. So it is a bearish trend right now. And if we zoom out to the daily chart here, it is still trading below the baseline, below the signal line, but that is due to the fact that it has been dropping in value over the last week or so. So once it has dropped down to about 0.008 or slightly lower, it should start to stabilize and then go back up in a bullish direction by the end of the year and early next year. So it will have to be a smooth ride. It won't be a major pump out of nowhere, because that won't be sustainable. As you guys saw, that's what happened previously, and what ended up happening is it ended up going for a major price correction, which is currently ongoing as well. So again, overall increases in value are expected by 2025, heading over the 1 cent target is what my predictions are by the end of this week and early next week. I'm potentially heading way higher than that by the end of the year and early 2025. So if we look at the overall increase since about a month ago, so the 18th up until now, it's been about 150% increase, guys. Again, compared to how the crypto market has been performing, is not major, but because I'm expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $110,000 by the end of the week and early next week, we should see a bullish market by the end of the year. And that is why I'm expecting AMP to be also pumping up in value towards essentially by the end of the year and early next year. And also guys, looking at this historical data, if we zoom out a little bit back in March 2024, so earlier this year, we did go for a major bull run, as you guys can see, which then led to a major drop, guys, especially here in, when was this, guys, March the 11th, and then literally it has been constantly just hitting red candles upon candles, and then it was stabilizing here for November, and right now has again repeated itself what happened in March, and it has dropped down in value. But this time we should be able to head back up in value rather than just keep dropping. But there will be more regular updates on AMP, which I have been doing and I will be doing, so make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And going into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume has dropped 21% in the last 24 hours, and it has been dropping quite a bit since the last few days as the value of the crypto has also been dropping. Let me know your end of year prediction for AMP, especially after the dips that's been taking place. Have your views changed on it or not? Let me know, guys. And I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.